This question is trying to get us to find the integral of 2 to 3 of 1 minus 4 and times by a function that we have no idea what it is. Okay, so let's make this a little bit easier. When we integrate, we can apply the integral across like pluses and minuses, right? As long as it's outside of the bracket. And so we can say that this is actually equal to the integral of 2 to 3 for 1 dx minus by 2 to 3 for here. All right. And so what we can do is figure out this first bit. So what is the integral of 1? Well, that's like saying 1 of x to the power of 0. So we plus the 1 there, divided by 1, and that's just equal to x. Okay, that's what the integral is equal to. And so we can figure that out. So x from 2 to 3. Now, this bit, right, we can bring out a constant. We can bring out that constant 4 to the front of this integral because it's a constant. It doesn't affect the rest of the equation. Okay, and what we can now say is that we can get given part of another equation, this 2 to 3, right? And we're saying that we're given this, right? We're given that this is equal to 5. So hopefully you can see that this is an exact match. This here and this here is an exact match. So we can substitute that in. And when we do that, we get that minus 4 times by 5. And that's really the hardest bit. The next bit is substituting in this 3 and the 2 there, so that's the integral. It becomes 3 being substituted in first. All right, minus by the 2 being substituted in, and then 4 times by 5 is 20. And so finally we just say that's 3 minus by 2 and minus by 20. And so that is like saying 1 minus by 20, which is equal to negative 19. And that is our final answer. So I guess it's a bit tricky because you've got this unknown here, that f of x, but they give you it. So you can substitute that in, and then also splitting it down the middle to make it nice and easy, and then bringing that 4 out the front. So I've got heaps of questions like this on my website. You're more than welcome to explore that in the link below. If you have any questions, reach out. I'd love to help.